Brand new construction with a custom one-level home on a corner lot. 3 bedrooms/2 bathrooms, great open floor plan that is very light and bright, approximately 1,553 square feet. Plus a double attached garage, gourmet kitchen, whitewashed hickory soft close kitchen cabinets with granite countertops and appliances included, natural gas heat, instant water heater and range, great master suite with heated tile floor in the bathroom, audio/video/internet plumbed throughout. This won't last long, call today to see.